Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm just working on a 2017 Santa Fe. So what we're gonna change is I'm gonna change your brake light and your turn signal bulb and the other part of the So we need to take off this black piece right here. So you need to get a flathead screwdriver. Come right here, pry this out. All right. So got my flathead screwdriver. Just take your time. Right at the bottom. I know it's a little scary, but yeah. So let's do it. And this gonna give you access to these two Phillips screws. So you need to get your Phillips screwdriver to take those out. All right, guys. If you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Help me help you. I do a lot of videos on cars, so my next video could be your next problem on your car or on your friend car, whoever car you're working on. So get those out. You just want to hold it and pull it back on it. So you want to pull back towards the car, alright, towards the rear of the car. So the light is here. You want to pull to the rear of the car, alright. Sometimes it might be a little hard to take out. I'm lucky in this case, it come out really easy. So this right here, you want to twist it. Right here, that's the bulb, that's no good. So you want to push down on the bulb and twist it. Take it out like this. Same thing for your turn signal. Push down on it, twist it counterclockwise and pull up on it, and that's it. All right, so I'm going to get the new bulb and I'm going to come and put it in. So I got the new bulb right here. You want to make sure you line up the groove. You look inside the grooves, you see which grooves is higher. This one is higher over here, and this groove is lower down over here. So you want to put the studs where it's lower and where it's higher to the correct grooves. All right, so got it in like that, and you want to turn it clockwise, and that's it. And it's going to be the same thing for the turn signal. So I'm going to do the same thing with that bulb right here. Actually both grooves are the same, so I'm going to go ahead and just put it in. And turn it clockwise and it's gone in. You want to put this back in, put it where it fall all the way down, and you lock that into place. Same thing for this. You see, you put it down, it might not fall all the way in, so you just need to just rotate it until it falls in, then rotate that into place. All right, so get your tail lamp now, hook it back up. Alright, got it into place. And if I can do this with one hand, you guys can do it with both hands. Alright, so let's do it. Get your screws. So after you get your screws, that's it. Tighten them up, and you already know, you want to go ahead and check your brake light, your turn signal, your park light, and yeah, that's it. Get your covers. You want to make sure this right here line up with this right here. So got it in like that. You push it in, then you lock this under here. Going like that. Thank you guys for your love and support. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Help me help you. So there you go. That's my park light. And if I press the brake light, it's gonna come on. So, and also you want to check your signal light. To check that, you gotta turn on your car. Turn on your signal light. And it's flashing down there. So there you go, guys. Peace out. See you next time.